out of the path of this unpredictable wildfire.
I should check on Wendy and make sure she's okay.
All right.
At 6 p.m., skies were mostly sunny. The temperature was 105 degrees, the dew point 36.
Bum, 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 bum.
The wind was southwest at 7 miles an hour. Pressure 29.69 inches and falling.
Good recon for screaming.
Works from her house. Well, she's got a lot of land, but still.
Central daylight time this evening. Tonight, mostly clear and breezy. Lows in the lower 70s.
But look, if it's flashing, look, that'll flash, that'll flash, and that'll flash.
5 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny.
We're gonna go home just in case.
106. South winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear and breezy.
Yeah, Buffalo's all the way up there.
South
Got
winds
fire
15
warning.
to 25 miles
Yeah,
an hour.
fire warning.
Up to 35 miles an hour.
Look, here you go.
A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of central Coleman County through 6:45 Central Daylight Time.
What?
So we got a fire warning and now severe thunderstorms. Whoa, 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 whoa.
No,
Bur-
not yet. But she's got a lot of land. So hopefully she won't have to. Yeah, she stayed
Gusty
home
winds
today
could
to
knock
try
down
to.
trees
Yo.
around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include
I don't know what she needs to
Santa
do.
Ana, Ross, Burkett, Valera, Levy, Tulsa, Echo, Mazzell, Fisk, Shields, and Horse Creek Reservoir. It's outdoors. Consider seeking shelter inside a building.
Yeah, because
Heat advisory in effect from
we got fire warning, heat advisory,
Central Daylight
required
Time.
weekly test. And
What? Afternoon temperature.
but Mom, this is unpredicted. This was unpredicted because
Where?
we had a required weekly test today, but now a fire warning?
When?
That could damage people's homes, so that's actually life-threatening. I think it was an unpredicted fire or a manly started fire.
Stay in an air-conditioned room.
Well, I'll be listening for headers.
Check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and
Well-
pets should never be left unattended in vehicles
Well,
under any
guys, this is
circumstances.
probably going to be crazy.
Precautions if you work or
Yes.
spend time outside. When possible, reschedule
Cuzzy.
family activities to early morning or evening. Know the
Your
signs and
cuzzy.
symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency.
Well, my 220s and 100 are probably already lit up.
It is transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management
Here we
Agency,
go.
San Angelo, Texas. A wildfire has crossed us 277, moving to the east. Buffalo Gap and surrounding areas should immediately evacuate out of the path of this unpredictable wildfire. At 6 p.m.
Yep,
skies
it's not
were mostly
unpredictable,
sunny and
so
cooling.
it was unexpected, so yeah, no, I don't think we're doing for RWT next week either. I don't think we're doing it for RWT next week. Don't think. I don't even think we're gonna do it next week. Probably not. But whatever.